Hello, in this video, we will teach you how to add the Pulsechain network to your Metamask wallet using just your smartphone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Metamask app installed on your smartphone. If not, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Metamask app on your device. Click on the network at the top center of Metamask labeled Ethereum Main Network. When the drop-down menu appears, simply press the Add Network button. Now, click on the Custom Networks button to add a new network. Enter the following details. After filling in the details, tap Add to save them. Now, we can switch the network from the main screen of Metamask. Choose the Pulsechain network from the drop-down menu. You'll receive a confirmation message. Tap Got It to switch networks. Congratulations! You have successfully added the Pulsechain network to your Metamask wallet using your smartphone. Now, you can interact with the Pulsechain ecosystem using your Metamask wallet.